Hey guys, welcome to Night Devil Creations, and it's wedding season in the shop. Hey guys, so we're making a pin for a wedding that we're going to, and it was all picked out by Jessica. She picked out a piece of authentic Bethlehem olive wood. So very, very beautiful piece. The grain pattern, hopefully that's picking it up, is absolutely gorgeous on this blank. So this is what we're going to be turning. We're using a Gatsby style pin. And as you see, we already have it all done up. If you guys would like to see me do another video on how I prepare my blanks, wood and or acrylic, let me know. I will make a video doing that. It looks like the how to finish a CA finish on a wood pen did very well, and the acrylic blank, how to finish an acrylic blank. I didn't think it would be that big of a hit, but it was. So if you guys would like to see how I prepare my blanks, leave me a comment down below. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed and you do watch the channel, or you're new, hit that subscribe button. That helps me out. And hit that bell notification up top if you want to be notified when I upload new videos. So, let's get this turned. It's going to be kind of a short video. So like I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted by my camera that turned off on itself. So, let's get this turned. It's going to be a short video. The last couple have been long. Thank you very much for watching them. That was very cool. So, yeah, let's get this done. Let's get it put together. Let's see how beautiful this blank turns out. And I will catch you here when we go to put it together. All right, I'll see you guys there. Alright, boys and girls, this was a fun turn. I'm going to try to see if I can get a picture off the video. So I turned this, I put the finish on, and right about here, it just clouded up really bad. So I don't know if it was something I did, and right here actually too. You can see it's nice and shiny now. But, yeah, it happens. It's part of pen turning. You just got to adapt and overcome. Don't get frustrated. Getting frustrated definitely will not help you any. Just sit back for a second. How can I fix this? And give it a fix. And that's all we did today. So we just fixed it right there on the fly. So all I did was I turned it back down, got all the finish off, and then refinished it. So a little tight. Might be time for a new press. Yeah, nice tight fit. That looks beautiful. Let's see where we want to put it. Man, I kind of like it right about there. I think that's where we're going to go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So, I mean, that's pretty much about it for this pen. Once you do that, you just screw this in. Nice. Down. This is a beautiful pen. It's like a gunmetal and chrome. Yeah, I'm really liking that. Oh, wow, guys, that is beautiful looking. Let me know in the comments what you think about this color combination. I was kind of worried that the olive wood would kind of get lost, but sorry about that. But it definitely didn't. It definitely is the focal point of the pen still, like it should be. But just the accents of these two is just really, really beautiful. Anyway, all right, guys. So, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed and you liked what you saw today, subscribe. Yeah. Thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next one.